JIC and ICSE results are out, and once again, Jamnabai Narsi students are setting benchmarks across academics, innovation, art, and sports.
Jamnabai Narsi School has been nurturing excellence, values, and legacy ever since 1971.
And this year's outstanding results are a reflection of exactly that philosophy.
That they are rooted in values and the fact that the constant desire to be innovative and creative, equipped with resilience, has led to this kind of a phenomenal result.
Ananya Desai, 100% in ISC Science, HKU Scholarship, Plaksha University Admit, Robotics and Ballet.
So, how do you balance all of that together?
I think GNS teaches you that cultural and academic excellence are two sides of the same coin, and to grow, your passions and your academics must grow together.
Kaina Solanki, 99.6% in ICSE, among the top achievers in the country.
So, what helped you stay consistent throughout your journey?
I think the JNS environment is just really conducive to growth and excellence.
Arashi Patel, University of Wisconsin-Madison Admit, with full scholarship, TERET student leader, ISC representative, junior head girl, and deputy secretary general at the AWM.
Quite a few hats there already.
And under the JNS co-op program, you interned with Faculty Minds in Psychology.
How did that internship experience actually shape your learning beyond the classroom?
For college, I plan on majoring in psychology, so it was extremely helpful to see what a clinic is like and what psychologists actually do. And I'm very grateful for the JNS co-op program because that was what gave me that experience and exposure.
Yuvir Malchandani, UIUC Admit and director of Thoughts Through the Night.
A film on teen mental health isn't exactly a typical school project.
I think that's what makes JNS truly special. We are encouraged to pursue ideas that matter to us.
Agastya Kaur, international athlete representing India in the UK and a UIUC Admit.
So, what needed more training? The races or the board exams?
Academically, you're always trying to reduce the pressure. In athletics, your coach does the exact opposite.
Nitan Meswani, economics and history enthusiast. John Locke Essay Competition finalist 2 years running and ISC Drama Best Director.
In a time where most students rely heavily on external academic support, how did you consistently perform at this level through the JNS academic ecosystem?
JNS, its teachers and resources gave me confidence and clarity, which helped me focus on my own studies and trust the schooling system.
Ranveer Jain, Carnegie Mellon Admit, lead programmer for FRC and FTC Robotics, and head of the Tech Club.
Beyond robotics, how has JNS helped you to shape your leadership style?
JNS has given me opportunities to lead in different spaces. It has taught me leadership is about collaboration, responsibility, and making things work together.
Avika Mehta, Northwestern and Imperial Admit, ODC performer at the Mahakumbh and the founder of the JNS V STEM chapter.
So, what did JNS mean to your artistic journey?
JNS has always supported my academic and non-academic pursuits, teaching me that every passion deserves to be followed with equal respect and dedication.
Ruhani Badwe, Barnard and USC Admit, Bharatnatyam dancer and conductor of wellness workshops for women across different age groups that combine Bharatnatyam and yoga from Nashik to Mumbai.
How did JNS help you look beyond achievement and use your passion to create impact in society?
JNS made me realize that success is truly meaningful when you can connect with people around you and positively impact them.
So what's the JNS edge?
Versatility.
Balance,
Collaboration,
growth,
Excellence,
Opportunity,
Environment,
Curiosity.
Support.
Community.
Because at Jamnabai Narsi School,
Success is never just about marks.
it's about getting ready for the world.
The
The
JNS
JNS
Edge.
Jamnabai
Jamnabai
Narsi
Narsi School.
Beyond marks,
beyond boundaries.